Today we're gonna have a restock of some Yeezy Slides. The first set of drops are gonna be in about 30 minutes. Only a few websites dropping at 7 a.m. So I'm gonna get set up for that, and hopefully we get a few right off the bat. Queued out of stock. Oh my god, bruh. What is happening? So, only hope for now is JD Finish Line, but JD and Finish Line, this is a cancel fest. So even if I get any from this website, I'm not gonna get my hopes up. Alright, it is almost 10 o'clock. This time we've got like a gajillion websites dropping at the same time. So it is going to be a little bit overwhelming. I'm not going to lie. I'm not too optimistic about this drop. I feel like something is going to go wrong. And I also feel like the amount of resources that I have for this is a little bit on the lower end. And also I'm going to be using Trickle for the very first time. So there's a chance that I have something set up wrong. And I just hope that that's not the case. I'm praying for just a smooth release with a lot of checkouts. Let's see how many we can get. I got one on DTLR. Dude, I got 10 checkouts already. Holy smokes, bro. Oh, I had two. First time using Trickle and I'm going off. Bro, I got 26 checkouts on Trickle. On 3 trickles, bro. By the way, if you still need a server for botting, you can give live servers a try. This is the same company behind Live Proxies, and their server IPs actually work on proxy protection websites, which can be very helpful for Shopify and Supreme. So with this, you can get the blazing fast speeds of a server with the reliability of a regular residential IP address. And live server customers also get access to purchase live proxies, which are quite difficult to get these days. The first 30 people who use my discount code LiveNova15 on their website can get 15% off on your server. Well, I am pleasantly surprised at the results. Trickle just absolutely carried my entire setup. Considering I was slightly underprepared for this, I am quite happy with how everything turned out. But now that I'm thinking about it, I feel really stupid for not going harder on this release. Because obviously when it comes to slides and foam runners, it's worth it. Very surprised at how I did, because throughout this whole time, a lot of people have been saying that the only reason why Trickle gets so many checkouts is because their runners run like 100 instances. But from my experience, that's not true. I ran 3 instances and I got a high checkouts per instance ratio. Much better than my other bots. Admittedly though, I did put my best resources in Trickle, but still, it's amazing. My second top performing bot was WhatBot. It did fantastic. Anyways, a good amount of the slides arrived, so I'm probably going to be selling them to bulk buyers, and then I'll ship out any of my leftovers to consignment stores.